Good evening, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word piece. Dear students, you are watching Class 6 Science, chapter number 8, Plant, part 4. So let's start, dear students. Science in a contest. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. It can grow up to 90 centimeter in the one day. So dear students, we are talking about the modification of root. So in the third year student, climbing roots. Weak stamped plant like beetle, black pepper and the money plant produce a root from their stamps node. These roots attach themselves to the support and help the plant to climb. Dear students, I will show you climbing roots of money plant. Dear student, that root attach themselves to support and help to plant climb. The root tip secretes sticky substance that dry quickly in the air. Such roots gives the additional supports to the plant while climbing. Dear students, now come to the breathing plants. Breathing roots, plants that mangroves and that grow in the salt lakes or the marshy regions. Dear students, develops a special root called breathing roots. Dear students, mangrove plants grow in the salt lakes and marshy area where the soil contains a very less air. They develop a special roots called that is breathing roots. Dear students, such roots grow from the underground roots of the plant, but rise vertically upwards and come out the water like conical spikes. Dear students, such roots grow vertically upward from the underground roots of the plant and come out of the water mesh. Each root contains numerous pores for exchange of gases. Each of roots has a numerous pores, air channels through which exchange of air takes place. Such roots rise because soil in such region is deficient in oxygen and content. Dear student, I will show you breathing roots of mangrove plants. So dear students, these all about to the root system. Now we come to the shoot system. The shoot system include stem, leaves, fruits, flower, fruits, etc. Dear students, it is the main we can say it is the main part of a plant that grow above the soil. It consists of stems, leaves, flower and the fruit. Dear students, I will show you that consists stem, leaf, flower, fruits, even then also. Dear student, stem is dear students, stem is a part of a plant that are seen above the ground and mostly grows vertically upward. Stems bear branches, leaves, buds, flower, fruits and seeds. Stems expose the leaves, flowers and branches to the sunlight. It also supports the plant when the branches become too heavy. Dear students, the stem is very important part of the plant. It is most plant stem are quite strong and hold the plant upright. The stem of a tree is known as, dear student, that is known as trunk. Dear student, most of the trunk are covered with a tough outer covering that is called, dear student, bark. That is called bark. Bark protect the inner part of the tree. The dear students, now come to the next, the part of the stem where the branches and leaves arise, that are called, dear students, that are called nodes. Dear students, in the small outgrowth on the stem of a plant is called, dear student, that is bud. Now dear students, we know very well that buds are two types, that is apical and axillary bud. Dear students, now if we are talking about a part of a stem where the leaf arises, that part is called what? Node. Dear student, I will show you node portion where the leaves arise. A part of a stem where the leaf is arise, that is called what, dear students? Nodes. Where the leaves is arises part, that is called, dear students, node. And the part of a stem where the leaf is arise, that is called node, dear students. And the region of a stem between the two adjacent node is called what? Internode. Dear students, apart from here to here, this is called, dear students, internode. This is called internode. From here to here, it is called what? Internode. So dear students, the part between the two nodes is called internode. The tip of a stem of a bird is called apical bud. Dear students, I earlier told to you the smaller outgrowth on the stem of a plant are called, dear student, bud. Bud are two type, that is apical bud. Then apical bud is present in the top of a shoot. Dear student, they are present in the top of a shoot, which are responsible for growth of a plant. Dear student, that is the bud is present in the top and it is responsible for upward growth of a plant. So dear students, hope you understood these paragraph. So dear students, you have to read this page carefully. Thank you student. Stay home, be safe.